The Supreme Court, in its ruling, has said that it was not challenging your power to declare emergencies, quote, but in the case of a pandemic which lasts month after month, the governor cannot rely on emergency powers indefinitely. This is a legal argument that I think the entire nation is looking at, because we have sort of decided our governors are the ones who are going to take the evidence and make decisions about whether we stay home or go back to work based on the best information they can get. And your court is saying you can't in this environment.
Yeah, it was four members of the court who made a decision that wasn't based on statute, precedents, or the facts, unfortunately. And the sad thing about it, Ali, is that we have been working very hard over the past several weeks and months in the state of Wisconsin. The people of Wisconsin have stuck to it, staying at home, making sure that they're doing the physical distancing, all the stuff that's important. We've been making good progress. We're one of the lowest number of cases per capita in the Midwest. We're doing the right things. And unfortunately, in this one fell swoop, 4 judges who didn't really care about what the statutes talk about have thrown our state into chaos. And that is such a sad thing for the state of Wisconsin. We've worked so hard. The people of Wisconsin have worked so hard to have this chaotic situation at this point in time.
So this would be very worrisome if you're in Wisconsin, because what you're looking for is the best information, the best guidance on how to stay home or reopen on a staged basis. What the court is saying is that you now have to work out political issues with the legislature. How does that actually work in practical terms? Because there was a stay-at-home order. Does that go away? Do you have the ability to make interim orders or orders that expire after a short amount of time? What happens next for Wisconsin?
We're the Wild West, Ali. There are no restrictions at all across the state of Wisconsin. The Tavern League in this state has sent messages, emails to their members saying, we're open tonight. So at this point in time, there is no orders. There's nothing that's compelling people to do anything other than having chaos here. And of course, people are smart in Wisconsin. They're not idiots. They're going to do whatever they can to make sure that they're safe. But when you have no requirements anymore, that's a problem. And we're just leaving it open. We're going to have more cases. We're going to have more deaths. And it's a sad occasion for the state. I can't tell you how disappointed I am. The people of Wisconsin have worked so hard to get to where we're at. Just yesterday or 2 days ago, the Marquette University poll said that 69% of the people that they polled support our efforts around this issue. So it's not like things haven't been going well. We've really done a good job. And also, Ali, I just have to say, early on, I met with business owners across the state and the really important folks that are doing great stuff for the state of Wisconsin. They told me one thing that I'll never forget. They said the people of Wisconsin have to be comfortable and confident in their health and safety. And if they're not going to be good consumers, and frankly, they're not going to be good workers. And we have reached that point tonight. We are the Wild West. There are no rules, no regulations. The Tavern League has said, open your doors, and it's not a good place.
Governor, what is your next step then? What authority is left to you, and what will you do next?
Well, we have no authority right now. It's been taken away. So we'll meet with the legislatures, but their answer, first of all, the Republicans have never had a plan. We keep asking for it. When they took us to court and they sued, they said they had a plan. Haven't seen that yet either. So I'm disappointed in that. But we'll meet with them tomorrow. But their answer is going to be, let's do an administrative rule. That's what they told the court. That's what the court's saying. Administrative rule in the state of Wisconsin takes at least 2 weeks, at least. And we're already started tonight, where different counties are saying, bring it on. We have other counties saying, no, we don't want this to happen. So suddenly it's a 72-county affair, which is going to be very confusing to people of the state.
That is indeed. The Wild West is a good analogy for that. Governor, thank you for joining me tonight. Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers.